To make an appointment at a Social Security office, start by visiting the Social Security Administration website and using the Office Locator tool to find your local office and its hours of operation. You can also call the Social Security Administration toll-free number to schedule an appointment over the phone. Once you have found your local office, you can schedule an appointment online by using the Social Security Administration online appointment system. This system allows you to choose a date and time that works for you and receive a confirmation email with the details of your appointment. Before your appointment, make sure you have all the necessary documents, such as your Social Security card, identification, and any other required paperwork. It is also a good idea to arrive early to your appointment to fill out any necessary forms and to account for any unexpected delays. When you arrive at the Social Security office, check in with the receptionist and let them know you have an appointment. They will call your name when it is time for your appointment and direct you to the appropriate office or window. During your appointment, be prepared to provide detailed information about your Social Security needs, such as applying for a new Social Security card, requesting a replacement card, or inquiring about Social Security benefits. The representative will guide you through the process and answer any questions you may have. To ensure a smooth and efficient appointment, make sure to be prepared, patient, and respectful of the staff and their time. By following these steps, you can make a successful appointment at your local Social Security office and receive the assistance you need with your Social Security needs.